Hi, my name is Jim LePage, and I'm here to show you my new product, Glitch Type, which allows you to easily add glitch effects to your type in Photoshop using a Smart PSD method. So when you open the file, just open up the Smart Type layer, and as we go in there, I turn off the instructions, and I have this Glitch Type layer there already. So I'll go ahead and save that, and it's going to take a little time to update all the smart objects in the main file. And obviously, when you come in here, you can use whatever font you want, put whatever type you want in there. And later we'll also see that you can also use objects or logos in here as well, in addition to type. So once all those smart objects are updated, we'll go back to the main file, double click on the smart fill, and once we're in here, we're going to place a texture. And this is one of the 8 included textures in the file. It's one of my abstract paintings. So there's a bunch of those there included, and they all should work pretty well. You can use whatever you'd like in there. So again, it's going to take a little time for the smart objects to update, but once those are done, we'll jump back to the main file and take a look at our glitch effects. And there's 8 effects included, and they all kind of do little different things. And all the effects on there are editable. These are smart objects, so you can go in and change things if you want to. So as you can see, those are the effects. We'll take one of these here and also look at some of the adjustments that are included, which is black and white, or this one where you can choose your own overlay color if you wanted a specific color. And then there's a gradient map one where you can choose different gradient maps to recolor the type or your artwork. And then there's also just 3 different color shifts in there. So you could use any of those. And again, all of those are editable as well. So one more thing I'm going to show you is I'll actually jump into the Smart Type layer here. I'll turn the type off, and this time we'll bring in an object so we can see what the glitch effect does to an object instead of type. So I'll bring in this kind of lion herald crest thing here. Just scale it to size, click save, and again, wait just a few seconds for those smart objects to update in the main file. There's quite a few of them to achieve the effect, so maybe be a little patient with that. But once that saves, we'll go back to the main file, take a look at the effect, and then I'll show you one more thing that you can do to kind of add other elements to the design. So we go over here. Some of the glitch effects that have warping on it won't work for something like this, but there's a few that give it kind of a cool effect. Like I like that. I think what I'm going to do is just color it. I want to get kind of a gold color, get kind of a gold feeling crest. Yeah, I like that. And then if you open this background layer group, there's different background shapes in there. And then you can set your background color, and it's just a cool way to add another dimension there. And you can use these shapes, you can create your own. But this is really just a way to show you that you can add an extra element or two and bring the design up to the next level. So this is my product, Glitch Type. You can check this out on my site at jimlepage.com/shop. Just look for Glitch Type. I also have a bunch of other abstract products there as well. Thanks.